At Trex, we believe in minimizing waste to create a greener future. That's why we're proud to share our latest achievement. During construction of our new global headquarters, we accumulated a significant amount of construction waste generated from the cut ends of decking boards. Disposing of this waste isn't in our DNA. Instead, we recycled all 12,805 pounds of scrap boards and gave them a second life. Instead of becoming waste in the landfill, we transformed the boards back into more beautiful, durable Trex decking, eliminating construction waste and reducing our environmental footprint. But the benefits don't stop there. By using Trex decking and railing in your outdoor space, you can enjoy a high-performance, low-maintenance deck while also contributing to a more sustainable world. Join us in building a greener future with Trex. Together, we can build a better tomorrow.